Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Motorola Razr 70 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in these settings. So we're going to go over into settings. Now here, we need to scroll a bit down, go to display, and here in the display, what are we going to do is we're going to adjust our brightness. But before we do that, we need to disable adaptive brightness so that it doesn't change it automatically. Here we have the brightness level. Now we see a slider right at the bottom here. So I'll lower my brightness like this. And of course, what we're going to do after this is go over into the Play Store and go to search for the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Now this is one of the best apps that I've used. It's free, so that you don't need to pay anything. It's only 1.5 megabytes. So tap on it, make sure that it's made by Ruhex, and now tap on install. As you guys can see, it was 1.39 megabytes, so it's not much. We're gonna go and click open, and what we're gonna do now is click on grant permission so that it can control our brightness. The next one, whenever we rotate our phone or enable any overlays like keyboard and etc., that's why we want to make sure that we go to accessibility, select screen dimmer, and enable it. Click on allow, and it is done. You can leave the settings, the last one, to grant the permissions, and of course we can enable it just like this. I'll lower the brightness for you guys, and if you open up the notifications area, you can also change the brightness just by tapping here. So that's how you guys can basically do that. And of course, in the app, after you click on brightness settings and advanced, you can change the extra dim, you can change the minimum physical brightness, brightness change delay, and change duration. So after having fun with the app, what you guys can do is simply go over and you can disable the service if you don't want it anymore. Sometimes it may boost your brightness back up all the way to the right, but make sure that it does not happen to you. And if it does happen, you can just change it in the notification center. We're going to click on settings now, and as a last resort, we're going to update our software. So let's leave the display. Let's scroll down until we see system updates. Tap on check for updates. And as you guys can see, it is initializing the entire process. So it is checking for updates. For me, everything looks good. But if it does not look good for you, then I would recommend simply updating it. Because whenever you're not updating, then you can have all the glitches on your device, and we don't want it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.